So what is Sketch? Sketch is a vector drawing application intended for designers of all sorts, but it has a heavy bias toward user interface design. With that, it is designed to allow us to line things up on a pixel grid for specific device displays, but it's not based on the idea of pixel-based graphics. Ultimately, we'll be outputting pixel-based graphics, but while we're working within Sketch, we are working with vector shapes that are infinitely scalable and infinitely precise. In our next discussion, we're going to talk about raster versus vector graphics. And Sketch really is not a raster image editing application, meaning it's not a photo editor. It's not like Photoshop, although Photoshop is heavily used in user interface design. Now, Sketch gives us a lot of tools that make things easier than Photoshop for user interface design. It gives us the ability to reuse styles and elements throughout a design with great ease and save a ton of time doing so. It also makes it extremely easy to take our final assets and output them. But most importantly, it is a vector drawing application similar to Illustrator. It's almost a hybrid of Photoshop and Illustrator put together if they were put together for the purpose of designing user interfaces, websites, and things of that nature that end up on someone's screen. It's not so much a print design application as it is a screen design application. It allows us to work with a canvas of infinite size and create artboards for different screens. It allows us to work within one document because of that. And designing different aspects and comps of a single application couldn't be easier, being that we get to have everything in front of us in one document. We're able to synchronize design elements between artboards. We're able to keep all of our screens in one place. We're able to use multiple fills per layer. And we're able to work independently of resolution. And then finally, export for specific resolutions. If you're designing for multiple platforms or multiple devices, you only need to build a single design, and you can export for all of those platforms and all of those different screen resolutions at one time, and your assets can be organized easily into folders and can be recreated instantly if something needs to be changed in the future. And thanks to the tools that are built into Sketch, making those changes will be a lot easier and you will save a lot of time. So let's dig in and learn how Sketch is going to make your life a whole lot easier.